Hi, this is Andrea again, and today I'm going to share with you a quick law of attraction suggestion, a quick technique that you can use to elevate yourself out of lower vibrational emotions. So if you happen to find yourself in a position where you're feeling anxious, frustrated, overwhelmed, sad, angry, any of those more negative feelings, this is a very easy trick that you can use to raise yourself up into the higher realms. All right, now first things first, I do want to point something out quickly up front, which is that it's always important that we validate our feelings. And so if you're feeling sad or angry or depressed, it's okay that you're feeling that way. All feelings do serve a positive function, and part of moving out of negative feelings is an understanding that it's okay to feel the way that you feel. So this video and this technique is meant to help you rise up because you want to rise up, not because you have to, and that's an important distinction. Now, but with that being said, most of us do want to rise up. Most of us do prefer to feel more positive, to feel more uplifted, and to feel more happy. And so here's something simple that you can apply. Now, here's the thing. With the law of attraction, however we're feeling inside becomes mirrored on the outside. So if I'm feeling down in the dumps, my reality is going to mirror that back to me in many, many ways. But here are a few common ways that this often happens. If I'm feeling negative, not feeling so great, chances are my surroundings are going to start to mirror that. So I'm not keeping things as tidy, or things are starting to get messier around me. Things are starting to get more dilapidated looking around me. My appearance is going to reflect that. So I'm not dressing as nice. I'm not combing my hair as much. I'm not taking as frequent of showers. I'm not putting myself together. My health is going to start to reflect that. So I will not be eating as healthy. I will not be taking care of my body. These are all things that reflect back that inner feeling that's going on within me. Now, it's true that the outer world reflects the inner world, but the inner world will also reflect back on the outer world. So what I mean by this is that if you can shift what's going on outside of you, the inside of you will shift to match it. So in other words, if you're not feeling great, look around your surroundings and ask yourself, how could I shift the reflection to look like I would be feeling positive? So perhaps let me go through and tidy up my house. Let me put myself together. Let me put on an outfit that makes me feel good. Let me eat as if I was feeling really great. Let me make sure that I'm getting rest. Let me do things that somebody who was happy would be doing for themselves. Simply doing that stuff will shift the outer reflection. So now I'm walking into the room and everything looks nice and pretty. That's going to mirror back on the inside. I'm going to feel myself start to feel better. So there's always two ways to go about things with the law of attraction. Shifting the inside is great, but if you're feeling really crappy, it can sometimes feel like an enigma of how to make myself feel better. So something very simple that you can do is just look at the outer world and put it together as if it was a reflection of a happy inside world, and you will naturally start to feel better. Try it out. See how it works for you.